Dear students, NCERT Mathematics Chapter 11 Constructions. Now in these chapters the 10 MCQs is prepared with the 4 options, but in these chapters you should have to, most portion is calculative, so you take a rough page also with the plain paper, calculate each and every sum and find out the particular correct options which is given as in form of ABCD. So let's start with the questions MCQ number 1. Here is the first. To construct a triangle similar to a given triangle PQR with its sides 3 by 7 of the similar side of triangle PQR, draw a ray QX such that angle QRX is an acute angle and X lies on the opposite side of P with respect to QR. Then locate point Q1, Q2, Q3 on QX at equal distance, and the next step is to join. So you have to construct particular this type of diagram and identify the correct one. Q10 to C, Q3 to C, Q7 to C, or Q4 to C. So which one is the correct option? You have to find out from construct the particular this triangle as given these instructions. So first of all you draw and identify the which one is the correct option, A, B, C or D. During that particular questions you have, when to draw the particular diagram, you can pause the video and then after, when you final conclusion for the particular answer, then you will be proceed for the next questions. Now here is the question number 2. To construct a triangle ABC and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. A ray AX is drawn where multiple points at equal distance are located. The last point to which point B will meet the ray AX will be. So after the construction you can find A1, A2, A3 and A4. So draw the constructions and the particular situation and find out the which one is the correct answer, either A, B, C or D, and write down in the plain paper against the question number 2. Now proceed for the question 3. Here a pair of tangents can be constructed from a point P to a circle of radius 3.5 cm situated at a distance of dash from the center. So this particular situation you have to find out the distance of either 3.5, 2.5, 5, 2. So find out which one is the correct, A, B, C or D, and write down. Now proceed for the question number 4. To draw a pair of tangents to a circle which are inclined to each other at the angle of 45 degree. It is required to draw tangents at the end points of those two radius of the circle, the angle between which is, so you have to find out 135, 155, 160 or 120. So draw and find out the which one is the correct option and write down in against the question number 4. Now move to question number 5. To divide a line segment PQ in the ratio mj and n, where m and n are two positive integers, draw a ray PX so that angle PQX is an acute angle and then mark point on ray PX at equal distance such that the minimum numbers of this point is m plus n, m minus n, m plus n minus n, minus 1 and greater of m and n. So draw and find out the correct option, A, B, C or D. Okay. Now move for the next problems number 6. To construct a pair of tangents to a circle at the angle of 60 degree to each other, it is needed to draw tangents at end point of those two radius of the circle. The angle between them should be So here is your option: 100, 90, 180 or 120. So construct the pair of tangents and then find out the correct option A, B, C or D and write down here. So this particular session of MCQs are totally calculative and draw and constructs, and among them require more time. You have to pause the video and then after completion you proceed the next questions. The next question 7. To construct a triangle similar to a given triangle PQR with its sides 9 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the triangle PQR, draw a ray QX such that angle QRX is an acute angle and X is on the opposite side of P with respect to QR. The minimum number of points to be located at equal distance on ray QX is. Here is your option: 5, 9, 10 or 14. So corresponding given situation, you draw the construct the triangle and find out the distance on the ray QX is A, B, C or D. Write down the correct options in a plain paper against the question 7. Now proceed for the question 8. To construct a triangle similar to a given triangle PQR with its sides 5 by 8 of the similar sides of triangle PQR. Draw a ray QX such that angle QRX is an acute angle and X lies on the opposite sides of the P with respect to QR. Then locate point Q1, Q2, Q3 dash on QX at equal distance, and the next step is to join Q10 to C, Q3 to C, Q8 to C or Q4 to C. Find out the correct options A, B, C or D. Okay. Now proceed for the 9. Sorry. Now question number 9. To divide a line segment AB of the length 7.6 cm in the ratio 5:8. A ray AX is drawn first such that angle BAX form an acute angle, and then points A1, A2, A3 dash 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 are located at equal distance on the ray AX, and the point B is joined to A5, A6, A10 or A13. So draw and find out the correct options either A, B, C or D and write down on your paper against the question number 9. Now last questions of this particular chapters 10 is to divide a line segment AB in the ratio 3:4. First a ray AX is drawn so that angle BAX is an acute angle, and then at equal distance points are marked on the ray AX such that the minimum numbers of this point is. So here is your option 5, 7, 9 or 11. You identify the correct options A, B, C or D. Now this particular 10 problem sums, you have to write down the correct options in form of A, B, C, D. Now compare with the in further next slide the correct answer. Okay, thank you very much.